All right, everyone, welcome back to another trade recap. So, yeah, the day went pretty good, bro. We've taken like three trades. Two of them were W's, and one is a straight L, bro. But, anyways, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribed, give a thumbs up, and what else? Yeah, go follow me on Instagram and X as well. I'm trying to hit like 1K followers there. And by the way, Jet, 50% discounts running on Lucid Funding. So make sure to check them out. Is in the description, or you can use my code NEXTGEN only on uh, Lucid, none of the platforms. But yeah, anyways, let's get started. All right. So why did I take this first trade, and what were my objectives, and what did I enter before the pre-market? All right. Uh, Before I do the recap here, you guys already know most of the time I trade like the pre-market, because I try to catch the whole move or the continuation move. Sometimes I'm wrong, but the continuation move, or I just catch the manipulation leg. But what I actually try is just to catch the manipulate continuation. All right, that's it, bro. But yeah, as you can see, I got like the manipulation look. So I went long here, took a partial right there, and cut my whole position right there. So why did I enter that trade? First of all, if you look at this whole range, we have this clean pre-830 high. Even though I thought that we're gonna make a failure swing high compared to that, while probably there's gonna be some SMT, which is there, but I wanted to see NQ making the low high, but it didn't do that. So that's what I was looking at that time. And on the 1 minute time frame, we have this pre-830 high right there. Now, bro, I'm using pre-830 highs and lows too much, I think, but it's working. So yeah, I was looking at these two highs, and if you look at this whole down move, I was thinking like, all right, this could be the manipulation, and we could just straight go up, right? And what else did I see at the time was that this inverse gap, we were within that inverse gap. And if you look at the my entry, I entered on the lowest candle, which was the lowest of this swing low. And if I show you on the 1 minute time frame, look, that candle closed back inside of that inverse gap. All right, and then we have this trap pattern, which trap pattern, like lower high, then lower low. So what are sellers thinking? All right, so we are ready to go down. Let's enter short. So that's the trap pattern. Now it's not like that if market is going down, you can just pick a pattern. Let's say for instance, like in this case, we create a lower high, wherever. No, let's take another. Yeah, let's look at this. We create a lower high, lower low. If you think market is gonna like uh that if you think that is a trap pattern, you're probably gonna mess up. All right, so you have to understand where liquidity is residing and what time you should be entering the trade, and what is there any PDR that's supporting your idea that price probably gonna reach up to these certain levels. So I had that inverse gap, and we have this trap pattern, and we have two clean pre-830 highs. All right, so that was pretty much it. And you could see when we broke below that inverse gap, that 50-minute inverse gap. If you want to see it one more time, you can go back. Look at that. We closed outside of it, we closed inside of it again. All right, and then we have another inverse gap right there as well. And I told you guys one thing about inverse gap is that you want to see that get, I mean, about fair value gap, you want to see that get invalidated first, then validated first. That adds a significant amount of value to it. So we inversed it. I mean, we invalidated it and then validated it with this move. As soon as it gets validated, look at the sharp drop. All right, and I entered the long position right here from another inverse gap. Let me show you right there, that 5-minute inverse gap. I entered right there, which was a straight L, but I don't mind. But I entered another short position targeting these lows on the 1 minute time frame, this one, and the I mean, I got out below this low, then hold for the lower lows right there, these equal lows, but I got out below that low. But pretty much that was the concept. Like, we couldn't push price higher, we came back inside of it, so we invalidated it 2 times. So I'm entering a short position, and just by looking at this huge drop to the downside, I was like, all right, so that right there is not gonna work. Let me just enter short position, and I'll show you my execution on my live account. And by the way, I'm not trading any of my evals or funded accounts right now. I'm currently trading my fund personal fund, which I trade with Bybit. You can check the link in the description. It's like a CFD crypto platform where I store my cryptos, and at the same time I can trade CFDs, forex, gold, commodities, etc. So there's a trade that was 115 pounds. This was 57 pounds. So pretty much was a good day, bro. Not gonna lie, like, and you can literally see uh, the two fair value gap that I picked. Look how price reacted off of these gaps, bro. This is not random, right? And there are a lot of thing into it, but know this, you just have to know which one to pick and where is the liquidity, and then what time is it. That's it, bro. You don't need anything else. And yeah, pretty much that's it for today. And yeah, make sure to check a Lucid Funding 50% discounts going on right now. Use code NEXTGEN, or use the link in the description, and I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow if I trade. And till then, be safe, take care for health, your mental health, and what else? Stay close to God, bro. All right. So yeah, bro. Bye bye, chat.